there was one devotee called Sala Bega. He had a father as Muslim and mother is a Vaishnavi. So because mother is a Vaishnavi, he got that tradition of worshipping Jagannath. I'm trying to cut a long story short, how he got into a relationship with Jagannath. Initially he was not, then he got some disease, and then how he became attached to Jagannath. Now he became so attached to Jagannath, he was composing beautiful bhajans for Jagannath in the Oriya language. Because his father is a Muslim, he can't go inside the temple. He doesn't have the opportunity to see Jagannath inside the temple. He cannot enter. So a whole year he will wait for that day, Rath Yatra, when Lord will come out so that I can see my Lord. Now one year it so happened that he was in Vrindavan. So when he was coming back from Vrindavan, he remembered, Hare, today is Rath Yatra. So by the time I reach from Vrindavan to Puri, Rath Yatra will be over and Lord will go inside the temple. I have to wait for one more year. Then he started crying, my Lord, please don't go inside, please wait for me, I'm coming. And because he's praying like this, what happened in Jagannath Puri? Lord stopped the cart. And now everybody's not able to figure out why is the cart not moving. They're trying, but the cart is not moving. The Lord is waiting for him. And meanwhile, Sala Bega comes. Then he sees, the procession is still going on and becomes very happy, and then he has the darshan of the Lord. That is why you see in Puri, Ratham, it doesn't go so smoothly. Sometimes suddenly it'll stop and they'll say technical problem. There is no technical problem. There is some emotional problem. Somebody is stopping the Lord. Some stuti is going on and Lord has to stop because he's emotionally so attached with his devotees. Ratharudho gachan pati मिलिता भूदेव पाताले स्तुति प्रादुर्भावं प्रति पदम् उपाकर्ण्य सदया दया सिन्धु बन्धु सकल जगतं सिन्धु सूतया जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पाथगा